Hey guys, it's Allie Roney here with a quick video showing you guys how to create cascading dropdowns in PowerApps. Cascading dropdowns are two dropdown menus that are connected to each other in such a way that whatever you select in the first menu affects the choices that are available in the second. A common use for this would be an order form in an online store. So we're going to go ahead and go to make.powerapps.com, and then we're going to select Create a Canvas app from blank. We're going to go ahead and give our app a name, in this case just Cascading Demo, and I'm going to use the phone layout just because it's a little bit simpler. Once our canvas loads, the first step is going to be to add two drop-down menu form items. So I'm going to come up here to Insert, and I'm going to select 3 labels and 2 drop-down controls. I'm going to take a minute to just kind of rearrange these on the screen a little bit, and I'll go ahead and get them resized. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some data in here. I'll pause the recording for a second. When I come back, that'll all be done. Okay, so here I have changed my labels. We've got the name of our app, the category, and then an empty dropdown, and then the selection and an empty dropdown. So now we need to connect it to our data source. I'm going to come over to this little cylinder over here, select Add Data, and then we're going to search for the Excel connector, Import Data from Excel. We're going to choose the spreadsheet. In this case, I've already had it created out there, and this spreadsheet already has a table in it. I'm going to go ahead and connect to that, and then we'll see our data source over here. So we're going to start with the first dropdown, and we're going to go to the properties, and the items are going to come from table 1, and the value is going to be whatever is in our type column. And then we'll do the same for the dropdown number 2, where our values are going to come from table 1, and they're going to come from the drink column. If I go ahead and check these dropdowns out now, we'll see that they just have every single option in them. So if I open this up, we'll see espresso tea smoothie, espresso tea, espresso smoothie. Ooh, that's not good. We don't want all of these in here more than once. And if I come to the selection column, I see all of the different choices, and it's kind of hard to navigate. So let's see how we can get these to link together so that we only see each category once, and then each selection based on the category selected. The first step is to set the formula for the items displayed in the first dropdown to show only distinct items. So we're going to come up here to the formula bar, and we're just going to type distinct. We already have table 1, and we want it to show each type. Now if we demo this and we come over here in our dropdown, we just have the 4 different categories. Next, we need to set up the drink dropdown. This one is a little bit more complicated because we have to filter it based on what's selected in the first one. So once again, we'll go to the items formula bar, and we basically want to say, okay, we want to filter this table to show us only options that match what's selected in the first one. So I'm going to go ahead and type this in here. We want to filter table 1 where type equals what's selected in our first dropdown. And then we'll go ahead and save that, and we'll come up here to demo. We're going to select tea, and look, it only brings back my tea options. If I go to smoothie, it only brings back my smoothie options. And there we have cascading dropdowns.